Hi there, are you ready to start a successful real estate business in the great state of Texas? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to get started. So let's dive in. Step 1. Educate yourself. The first step in starting a real estate business is to educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with the market trends, local regulations, and licensing requirements. Knowledge is power, so take advantage of resources like online courses, books, and seminars to build a strong foundation. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Next, it's time to create a business plan. Define your goals, target market, and marketing strategies. Identify your unique selling points and develop a budget to help you stay on track. With a well-thought-out plan, you'll have a roadmap to success. Step 3. Obtain the required licenses. To operate legally, you need to obtain the necessary licenses. In Texas, you'll need to pass the real estate licensing exam, complete pre-licensing education, and submit a license application. Don't worry, it may seem challenging, but with dedication and preparation, you can ace the exam. Step 4. Set up your office. Now it's time to set up your office. Whether you opt for a physical space or work from home, make sure it's professional and organized. Invest in essential tools like a computer, phone, and CRM software to streamline your operations. Step 5. Build a network. Building a strong network is crucial in the real estate industry. Attend industry events, join local associations, and connect with other professionals. Networking will open doors to opportunities, referrals, and partnerships. Step 6. Market yourself. To attract clients, you need to market yourself effectively. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website, social media platforms, and engaging content. Leverage both digital and traditional marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Step 7. Provide exceptional service. Last but not least, always strive to provide exceptional service to your clients. Go the extra mile, be responsive, and exceed their expectations. Happy clients will become your best source of referrals. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive guide on starting a successful real estate business in Texas. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.